Today's video, we're talking about how to buy properties before you're 21. Coming up next. We all wish that we started investing in real estate earlier. But often when it comes to the younger generation, the idea of investing in real estate is met with an initial response that it's not something that they can do until they're older. This is simply wrong. Let's talk about it. I want to welcome all the new people to the channel. I created this channel for the new and experienced investor, those who want to create the life they've always wanted through real estate. Do me a favor, share this video, like, and subscribe. Let's talk about how to buy a property before you turn 21. Step number one, get a W-2 job. This is a perfect example how the lenders will look at your work history, your income, and your ability to pay back that loan. It will be the easiest way to get a conventional loan. Number two, building your credit score or your FICO score. And that means taking out some credit cards, but make sure that you pay those off every month. Okay, so you don't want to run a big balance on the credit cards. You take them out, you use them. When the bill comes every month, make sure that you pay those credit cards out. Typically, younger people have no credit. So this is a way to establish credit. Get a credit card, buy a car, get an auto loan. There are many other ways to build up your credit, but those are probably the two most important ones. Number three, make sure that you save. You save not only money, but you save in yourself, and be prepared to make that down payment. It's not as bad as you may think. There are loans out there that you can get between 3 and 5%. FHA is 3.5%. There are conventional loans that are 3 or even 5%. So the money should not be an issue. They just want to know that you have a good credit score, that you're responsible, and then yes, you have to put some money down and have some money basically in the game is what we call it. So good luck to you. Step number four, and maybe even the most important step, is to learn. It is always better when you learn what it is that your goal is and what you want to do with it. If it's real estate focused, then take and listen to some podcasts, read as much information about real estate that you can. Try to absorb as much as you can, analyze deals. The more that you do this, the more that you prepare yourself, the more comfortable at the end of the day you're able to pull the trigger and say, yes, I want to buy this property because I've done my research and homework and I feel comfortable doing it right now. It takes a really motivated teenager with help from loved ones to follow this path. There are many of us out there who can help influence and guide some teens to make it happen. If you're new to investing and want to know 3 reasons why you shouldn't fix and flip, click on this video right here. The reasons might surprise you. I'll see you on the next one.